As we look ahead to 2024, new trends are emerging in the world of Gaillardia flower landscaping. Let's explore these exciting trends and get inspired to create stunning garden designs that thrive. Gardeners are increasingly combining different shades and forms of Gaillardia to create dynamic, visually appealing displays. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also promotes biodiversity, leading to a healthier garden ecosystem. Many gardeners are adopting eco-friendly practices when cultivating Gaillardia flowers, including using organic fertilizers and water-saving irrigation methods. This not only benefits the environment, but also ensures that your Gaillardia flowers thrive in a natural, healthy setting. Gaillardias are excellent choices for pollinator gardens, attracting bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Incorporating Gaillardia flowers into your pollinator garden can enhance pollination, leading to more vigorous plants and abundant blooms. For those with limited space, container gardening with Gaillardias is becoming increasingly popular. These hardy flowers do well in pots and planters, making them perfect for balconies, patios, and small urban gardens. Designing a garden with Gaillardia flowers as the focal point is another trend to watch in 2024. Pairing them with complementary plants that highlight the Gaillardia's vivid hues creates a stunning visual impact.